Hey guys, thought I'd do a review on a new gift that my wife has graciously blessed me with. And it's a UBEESIZE 18-inch ring light with tripod stand. Alright, so first I want to show you the cool nifty features of this thing. It's wireless, it connects to Android or iOS via Bluetooth. So you just press and hold this button here, turn the Bluetooth on your phone, and it connects. And then you can control everything with the nifty remote here. So you could change the color of the light. You probably can't see it on the camera, but I'll flip it around and show you. But what you can do instantly, and you'll see this, is I'll change, right now it's on dimmest 5%. You can do 50 and 100, and 100 is just really bright. So if I'm gonna try to change it to 50 now, and that changed a little bit, I wouldn't say 50%, and then you're gonna go 5. There we go, now it's bearable when you look right into it. But now I'm gonna shut the camera recording off with the remote, and then flip the camera around and show you guys what I see. So there we go. So the light that it puts out is quite a lot. There it is. I forget if I'm on, I don't think I'm on 100. Oh, there's 100. You could tell. So yes, it is very bright, and I would say not so dim, but it's cool. This is a touchpad, and you can actually use it to change the temperature of the ring. So I don't know. There you go. Oh, look at that. That is really nifty. That is cool. So you can use this as a touchpad. It has a protective film over it. You could use, the power is up here, but I just use I use the remote for everything. So as I'm showing you guys this thing here, it is a tripod that fully extends to about that height. So, and you can angle, everything is adjustable right here. So you could use these two knobs on both ends. You got to do both of them to angle it the way you want, and then you obviously want the mount to match the angle, mostly to the light ring. So this does come off, so you could put a camera on here, and I am going to test that out as well, and I'll show you guys. But this mount here is supposed to fit any phone, and I have a Galaxy S10, and it fits in there just fine. But I thought that it was getting close to maxing out, but I guess I'm wrong. So that's a good thing. But tripod is very sturdy. It's made out of, I'd say, aluminum. And, you know, you can adjust it and lock it all the way up. So it gives you a lot of adjustment points, which is good. This whole thing sits on one thing. You can use it as a tripod only too. There is a threaded piece here that you could just use, you know, for a camera and whatnot, and then put the ring on if you so choose to use the ring, which obviously that's what I'm going to do for a lot of my garage videos now, because it honestly, you know, I've tested this out yesterday off camera, and it makes pictures and videos really cool, like you've never seen before. All right, so there's the Canon on the UBEESIZE 18-inch, and it does make this thing a little more top heavy, so you're gonna have to be careful when you pick it up instantly. You can already tell that it's wanting to lean whichever way the camera is versus the phone here. So that looks pretty professional in my opinion. It's a nice looking setup. Like I said, it seems like it's made out of pretty good materials. I think it's cool that it's like a touch screen up here. It's touch sensitive, so like I said, you could change the temperature just by touching it, which is awesome. I think that's very cool. But obviously the remote will still work, but it only will not work for taking pictures, right? Because it's obviously not your phone, it's a camera. So let's see if we can, there we go. Very cool little stand. This was $100 on Amazon. I will throw up the screenshot here. Before I leave, I do want to do a comparison with my phone again, show you guys what it looks like with it off and then on again. And I'll probably end the video there, so just hold on to one. All right, here I am in normal lighting conditions. And I'm gonna turn this baby on. It's on 5%. And there we are with the artificial lighting conditions from the UBEESIZE. And I'm going to go from dimmest to 50. And that really brightens things up. Then I'm gonna go from 50 to 100, which is a little incremental change. There we go. So there we are with the fullest setting. And we are on not the coolest light, so not the whitest light. So I'm going all the way cool on the remote here. And now if I go all the way warm, it's going to change the color to the more yellow light. I'm sure you can see that in the video. So by no means is this a commercial grade light tripod, but I think it is a good consumer tripod, especially for, you know, do-it-yourselfers like me. The YouTube guys at home that are making $1 million a year, I think this is a really good system. So I'll show you the box again. So that's how big the box is when it comes. I think on Amazon this one was 17.5 inch, but the box says 18 inch, so they rounded up. But I'm gonna go back to dimmest. There we go. It's pretty cool. I do enjoy it. I'm pretty excited to use it in the garage and see what kind of things I can come up with and how I can be better at making videos with this thing. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, peace everybody. What am I doing?